So now I'm going to put the flywheel and the poles, put everything here, the locking rings. So now you need to find this kind of lock and insert it into the same thing on the flywheel. And of course make sure that you remember that it's the way how you screw it in or you tighten, it's actually the opposite. So you need to do it actually counterclockwise. This is not intuitive. And one more thing, like to tighten, I'm going to use this old trick, which is just putting a piece of plastic wire inside the piston as much as you could. So once it's in, you're good to go and you can tighten it. Remember, counterclockwise. So not clockwise but counterclockwise. Next is our clutch. So clutch, this is here and here. You see, I'm going to put a little bit of grease inside. Alright. Make sure you remember the washer from the bottom and from the top. Same thing on this side. So the light one on the top and then the dark one on the bottom. Millimeters. Alright, it's moving, so everything is in place. You need to take the wire out. Right.